Hi, this is basal ganglia tutorial. Now, the basal ganglia structures. Now, first thing we have to see what are the structures in the basal ganglia. Now, we have lentiform nucleus. And let's say if I draw the lentiform nucleus, it is a cheese or triangle shape nucleus. This is called your lentiform nucleus, right? Now, lentiform nucleus consists of two structures. One is putamen here, and the other one is globus pallidus. This one is globus pallidus. Now, the globus pallidus is further divided into globus pallidus interna and globus pallidus externa, right? So the next one is this nucleus is called the caudate nucleus. The caudate nucleus is kind of C-shaped nucleus. I will draw it here right now. Okay, let's say this is your caudate nucleus. Is C for caudate, C-shaped nucleus. Okay, so at the end of the this is the head of the caudate nucleus, right? This is the head of caudate nucleus, and the body, the tail. At the end of the tail, the caudate nucleus has another structure. It's called amygdala, right? A stands for amygdala. So this is your caudate nucleus, and we have another nucleus here. It's called subthalamus. The subthalamus is a structure just under the thalamus, so it's called subthalamus. Let's imagine this is your subthalamus. And then you have the last one, the fourth one. This one is called substantia nigra. If we draw substantia nigra like this is your substantia nigra. It has two parts. One is pars compacta, where the neurons are very compact. This one, pars compacta, and the other one is pars reticularis, which is not, where the neurons are not very compact. Okay, so these are the basal ganglia. If we see the basal ganglia in another structure here that I have drawn, now here your third ventricle, right, and your thalamus. Just under the thalamus you have the subthalamus. Just under the thalamus you have the subthalamus, and then under it you have substantia nigra. Okay, this is how it is in your brain. Okay, so here we got the nucleus, lentiform nucleus. It has putamen here, and it has the globus pallidus. Now, this structure that's covering your lentiform nucleus is the internal capsule. These are the white matter, the fibers that's going up to the cortex or coming down. And this is the external capsule. This is internal capsule, the clostrium, and the extreme capsule. So these are the pretty much structures that we have in the basal ganglia. Let me show you another picture. Okay, so look at this one. This is the picture that I have downloaded. Now this picture, if we see where are different nuclei in this picture, now here you have the insula, right? And there is the claustrum, right? The claustrum, and then you have the external capsule. The external capsule that I have drawn in blue is right here. Here is your external capsule, and then we have putamen, right? Here we got the putamen as well, right? And with putamen, it has another structure, globus pallidus, right? Globus pallidus and putamen together makes a lentiform nucleus. Okay, so we have another structure here, the caudate nucleus, right? The caudate nucleus, and then we have substantia nigra here, and we have the subthalamus. See, just under the subthalamus here in the yellow, and just under it is substantia nigra, right? And then you have the internal capsule that I have drawn in blue like this in my structure. So these are the fiber that's going upward and or downward, coming downward. So now, amongst all these structures, these four, the lentiform nucleus, the caudate nucleus, the subthalamus, and the substantia nigra, are the basal ganglia.